and welcome to the Explorers Club. My name is Stephanie. So today we are going to go out and learn a little bit about coniferous trees. So those are the trees that stay green all year round. There's actually one kind of tree that is considered a coniferous tree that doesn't stay green all year round. It's called a tamarack, and it does actually turn yellow and loses its needles in the fall. But on another subject, let's look at the trees that stay green. So these, instead of having leaves, have needles. They act the same as leaves, but they're a little bit different. So today I have shared with you, attached to this video, a small search and find poster or page that has 3 types of coniferous trees on it. It has white pine, it has a spruce, and it has a cedar. So I'm putting it out there so that you guys can use it as a guide to find these 3 types of trees. You might find coniferous trees that are part of these different species, but look a little bit different because they do have different subspecies within the one, let's say, type of tree. So I decided to go out on a trail close in my hometown and look for coniferous trees. You might have to go a little bit off the trails to find these trees, but let's go see what we can find. Come on! Alright, explorers, so I think I found a species of tree called a spruce. I'm not sure if it's a red spruce, but I will take a small piece of this tree to show you a little bit closer. So as we can see, instead of leaves, it has little needles that act as its leaves to produce its energy. Very cool. So I'm going to take a small piece of this home so that I can observe it closer, and maybe take a couple pictures of the tree itself and its needles so that I can maybe do a little bit of research later on to find out exactly what type of tree I found, but I'm pretty confident that it's a type of spruce. Alright, let's keep going to see what else we can find. Alright, explorers, so here I think I've found a type of pine tree. I'm not sure if it's a white pine or not, but I'm going to take a small little twig with some of its needles on it, and I can show you a little bit closer what it looks like. So, if we compare the 2 that we've found so far, this was our spruce, so you can see that the needles are along the branch, and there's lots of them, whereas this one has one branch and then all the needles are at the end, kind of like a paintbrush, which is pretty cool. So we can see the 2 differences in the 2 types of coniferous trees that we found today. So that's our activity for today. Go out on a walk and find different types of coniferous trees. You can take a small amount of their needles with you to maybe research a little bit later on the different trees that you found or the different species. You can also use your senses, so maybe smell the needles. They have a different aroma, a different smell to them, so we can use our senses as well to tell the differences between our different types of trees. Otherwise, take lots of pictures of the different types of trees so you can compare them later as well. And don't be afraid to send some of those pictures to me. I'd love to see how your adventure went. So I hope you all have lots of fun, and we'll see you all again next time. Bye for now, explorers!